Assalamualaikum students. How are you? Fine, Alhamdulillah. Okay. As you all know that today is Monday and we go online on every Monday. So here is a video lesson for you. Let's recall the concept. Tell me what is an equation? A combination of variables and some constant numbers that is having equality sign, that is called an equation. For example, I am writing 2x plus 5 is equal to 3. In this is an equation, and in this equation x and y, they are variables. Okay? And this is constant. What about 2 and 5? What are they? 2 and 5 are coefficients. Then I told you about linear equations. What are linear equations? Equations having degree of variable 1. You can see that the power of x is 1 and this power of y is also 1. So this is also a linear equation. What is this? Linear equation. Now today we will see how to solve two linear equations simultaneously. Okay. So let's see an example. I am writing here two equations and then we will solve it. There are three methods of solving equations simultaneously. First one is method of equating the coefficients. Method of equating the coefficients. In this method we will equate the coefficients and then find out the value of unknowns. Okay? I am writing here two equations. 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 10 and y minus 5x is equal to minus 5. What is the coefficient of x in this equation? 2, and coefficient of y is 4. And in this equation, coefficient of y is 1 and coefficient of x is minus 5. And the constants are 10 and minus 10 and minus 5. Okay, these are two equations. 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 10. Minus 5x plus y is equal to minus 5. Now we have two options to make the coefficient same of x or y. Okay. So what do you say? It's up to you. You can make the coefficient and you can make any variable same. Okay. These are two equations. Equation number 1 and 2. I am making the same coefficients of x. So write the steps. Multiply equation 1 by 2, good, and multiply equation 2 with equation 2 by 2. Okay. So after multiplying, what will we get? 5 2 times 10x minus 5 4 times 20y is equal to 5 10 times 50. And multiply equation 2 by 2. After multiplication, we will get minus 10x plus 2y is equal to minus 10. Now we have these two equations having the same coefficients of x. What will be the next step, girls? Next step is to eliminate. Okay, what will we do to eliminate the coefficient x? Add or subtract? Very good. Subtract these two equations, third and fourth. So add these two equations. After addition, what will we get? X will remain same, and 10 minus 10 is 0x. Plus minus, we will subtract 20 and 2. 20 minus 2 is 18. And what will be the sign of 18? Negative. Why? Good, because 20 is the greater number. Here minus plus 50 plus 10 is 60. And what will be the sign of 60? Negative. Again for the same reason. Now we have minus 18y is equal to minus 60. To get the value of y, what will we do? Yes. We'll perform inverse operation and this 80 will divide 60. Minus 18. Now simplify this. Cancel these two signs. Simplify 60 and 18. 2 3 times 6, 0 as it is, and 2 9 times 18. Again we can simplify. Both are the multiples of 3. So 3 10 times 30 and 3 3 times 9. We have the value of y, which is 10 over 3. Now put this value in any equation 1, 2, 3 or 4. You will get the same answer. It's your choice. You can put in any equation. Okay? Here I am putting in equation number 1. So we have, this is equation number 1 and I am putting the value of y in this equation. 2x minus 4 and put the value of y here, which is 10 over 3 is equal to minus 10. Now simplify this equation. 2x 4 10 times 40 and plus minus is minus 40 over 3 is equal to minus 10. Now 40 is the fraction having denominator 3 and we have 2x and 10 as whole number. So make the denominator same. To simplify this equation. To make the denominator same, what will we do? G. We will multiply with 3. Numerator and denominator both. Okay. So multiply them. We have 6 over 3 minus 40 over 3 is equal to minus 10 over 3. Minus 10 over 3 and minus 40 over 3 both are constants. So we can write it as 6x over 3 minus 40 over 3 and minus 30 over 3. Both are constants. So I am writing on them on right side. Minus 30 over 3 plus 40 over 3. Both are fractions and you all know how to add fractions having same denominator. So add them. After adding fraction fractions we will get 6x over 3. We can write minus 30 plus 40 over 3 in the same denominator, and then after addition we will get plus minus 40 minus 30 is 10 over 3. And what will be the sign of 10? Plus. And 6x over 3 will remain same. Now what's the main purpose? We want to find out the value of x. So here this 3 is divided. We'll multiply it on the right side. Perform inverse operation. And they will cancel each other. Now we have 6x is equal to 10. And we get the value of x 10 by 6. Now simplify them. To 5 times 10 and to 3 times 6. So we have the value of x, which is 5 over 3. Okay? This is the value of 5. Now write the value of x and y in the form of a solution set. So what will be the solution set? G. Good. 5 over 3, comma 10 over 3. These are the values of x and y. Okay. Now tell me, how can we verify the solution? By putting the value of x and y in any equation, we can verify. Okay. Now see another example. Now we have second example. X plus 8y is equal to 15 and 3x minus y is equal to 0. Now in equation number 1, this is equation number 1, coefficient of x is 1 and equation number 2, coefficient of x is 3. Similarly, in equation number 1, coefficient of y is 8 and in equation number 2, coefficient of y is minus 1. Now what will be the first step? First step is to equate the coefficients, make their coefficients same. To make the coefficient of x same, what will we do? We will multiply equation 1 with 3. Good. Multiply equation 1 by 3. So multiply. What will we get? 3x plus 24y is equal to 15 3 times 45. And this is our equation number 3. Now the coefficients of equation number 2 and 3 are same. So the next step is to eliminate the coefficients. To eliminate, what will we do? We will subtract equation number 2 and 3. So next step is subtract equation number 2 and 3. Equation number 2 is 3x minus y is equal to 0 and equation number 3 is 3x plus 24y is equal to 45. Okay? Now perform the operation of subtraction. First of all, we'll change the signs of second equation. It will become also minus. Now plus minus 3 minus 3 is 0x. Minus plus 24 plus 1 is 25y. And what will be the sign of 25? Minus. Good. Plus minus 0 minus 45 is 45. And what will be the sign? Minus. Good. Now we have equation minus 25y is equal to minus 45. To get the value of y, what will we do? Simply divide them, minus 45 over minus 25. Simplify them now. Both are divisible by 5. So, cancel these two. 5 9 times 45 and 5 times 25. So, the value of y is 9 over 5. Okay? Next step. Put the value of y in any equation. You can put in equation number 1, 2 or 3. It's up to you. I am putting here in equation number 2. Put the value of y in equation number 2. So what is equation number 2? 3x minus y is equal to 0. Put the value of y, which is 9 over 5. Now simplify them. 3x minus 9 by 5 is equal to 0. And we have constant, which is 9 over 5. And we want to find out the value of x. So, can I write it like 3x is equal to 9 by 5? Why? Good. To find out the value of x. Here 3 is multiplying. When we shift it into right side, it will multiply with 5. 5 multiplied by 3. And we have the value of x, which is equal to 9 by 15. Now simplify. 9 and 15 both are divisible by 3. So you will simplify with 3 times 9 and 5 times 15. The value of x is 3 over 5 and we get the solution set, which is 3 over 5 comma 9 over 5. By putting the value of x and y in any equation of 1, 2 or 3, you can verify your solution. Okay? So students, your assignment is to do practice of exercise 6.9 question number 2 and 3 and then solve the given assignment. Okay? Thank you students. Allah Hafiz. Take care.